So students, today we'll talk about the Bangle Sellers by Sarojini Naidu. So Sarojini Naidu was born in 1879 and she died in 1949. She was widely known as the Nightingale of India. Now the Bangle Sellers deals with the love of woman and the pride they take when they wear bangles. Now we will understand what is the meaning of pride over here. Now the Bangle Sellers was composed in 1912, and Sarojini Naidu went to England for further studies. And when she came back to India, she saw there was a huge debacle between the two communities, the male community and the female community. The female community was not given that permission, or they were not given that freedom to come out and work. They were only meant for household works. And Sarojini Naidu felt the urge to bring the women out and make them work. Because in her words, she said, to get India's freedom, men and women have to work together. And it talks about, that's why the Bangle Sellers talks about the freedom of India, the happiness of woman. And from where this word freedom comes, we will check it later. So now the Bangle Sellers, there are two parts in the poem, and one is for the Bangle Sellers, the sellers who are selling the bangles, and another one is the woman who are wearing the bangles. Now see, Bangle Sellers are we who bear our shining loads to the temple fair, who will buy these delicate, bright, rainbow-tinted circles of light, lustrous tokens of radiant lives for happy daughters and happy wives. So Bangle Sellers are we who bear, means we are the Bangle Sellers who take, bear means over here, to take our shining loads. Now load means which has weight, right? And these bangles are shining, and they're taking to the temple fair. Now what is the meaning of temple fair over here? Now in temple we see women and girls and other ladies over there, and it becomes a fair over there. There are a group of people, there are a group of women over there. That's why it becomes a fair. So it is regarded as temple fair. And the bangle sellers stand over there and they sell bangles. Who will buy these delicate, bright, rainbow tinted circles of light? What is the meaning of rainbow tinted? Rainbow tinted means the bangles are colored as the rainbow colors, and they are the circles of light. The bangles are circular and they produce light out of reflection. Lustrous tokens of radiant lives for happy daughters and happy wives. Lustrous means shining. Okay, you can see in the right side of the screen, lustrous means shining, and bangles are the shining tokens of radiant lights. How are these tokens? Means shining tokens means these are the part of happiness, of radiant lives means of lives of women, for happy daughters and happy wives. And the bangles are made for these daughters and these wives. So they are happy when they are wearing the bangles. And when the bangle seller is selling the bangles, he is happy because he can take money back to home. That's why, see the last two lines, lustrous tokens of radiant lives, means the lives of people. And these bangles are the tokens of happy lives. Who are happy over here? The daughters and wives and the sellers, means the sellers are happy because they are able to sell the bangles, and the daughters and wives are happy because they are the buyers and they are happy because they have the bangles, and the sellers are going back home and they are they're able to take back that money to their homes. That's why they are happy. So that's why bangles are lustrous tokens of radiant lives.